All right, let's continue the conversation here on the producer wrapper. And we're gonna define what I call like a delivery report. So every time a message is acknowledged by the broker, this callback will run to confirm the success or report an error back to us. Okay, so this is just to give us visibility into the delivery outcomes that we're trying to do here. So just call it delivery report. We'll have an error, also have the message. So if error, we just log the error saying that our delivery failed, and we're gonna show this error. All right. Otherwise, if succeeded, we're gonna log this as an information, and we're gonna do like f string record successfully delivered to topic, and we can say which topic, message dot topic. And also we can do related to the partition, message dot partition, and also the offset, message dot offset. Let's skip this line here. Cool. That's our delivery report, and we can go ahead and produce the message. We're going to need the topic to which we're producing the message to. The value could be of any kind. The key is optional. Only value is mandatory. That's why we're initiating it with none. Okay. So here, again, topic is the Kafka topic name. The value is going to be the message payload. Could be string, JSON, bytes, etc. Whatever, any Python object. The key is an option message key. It's just used for partitioning and or ordering, just like we've seen in the partition section. And the expect behavior for our function will be to add the records to the local producer buffer and returns it immediately. A delivery confirmation that happens via that callback that we're implemented. Okay, so what we can do here is say that our record key is going to be our key, record value is going to be our value, and we need to apply the serializers on top of that message if they are provided. Okay, so try it out. So if key serializer and the key, of course, is not none, the record for the key, we're going to apply the key serializer on top of the key. As well, if the value serializer and value is not none, the record value, the self dot value serializer, and then we'll pass the value and also the serialization context of the topic. Okay, now we need to send the message asynchronously, so internally this is going to add it to the background IO threading for batching. So after we serialize it, we just go ahead and do call the produce message, the topic, the serialized key, or not, the serialized value, and the callback. It's going to be our delivery report. All right. Finally, we'll do a poll for the producer. To be 0 as well. Okay. So without this, the callbacks may never be fired unless we flush it. So that's why we want to process all of those background events with the poll equals to 0. Okay. Now this is a try, but what happens if something fails? So we can accept it, and let's get this buffer error here first. In this case, that means that our local queue is full and the producer is sending messages faster than the broker can handle. That's this type of exception. So we'll briefly wait to clear out the queue, and then we'll retry once. That's what we're going to do here. So let's throw a warning, not an error. And I'm going to say, hey, the local buffer is full. Let's poll briefly and retry. Right? So when it happened this, we'll do another poll. This time, smaller time. And we're going to retry another time. Try to produce it another time. Topic, we pass the key, and we pass the value, and the callback. Okay, this is one type of exception. Now, if anything else happens that it's not just a buffer error, we're going to call the Kafka exception, and we're going to show this error, failed to produce message, and we show this. Okay, now I'll stop here, and then we can continue with the next methods in the next lesson.